It's alright, these gears, these points are made out of plastic.
Just a good old boy.
We're fluffing hay today. We got this is a custom job I'm doing for some friends of ours. They bought some cows, they need a little extra hay that they've got. Due to buying some more cows. Markets have actually been up a little bit since the cattle ID news come out. I think it's directly affected it. Finally got some positive news, and the markets have went up just a little, not a whole lot, just a little. Just creating a little bit of a positive feel for once the cattle industry, but still not great. I think we still got a lot more to do. Everybody's always wondered how you fly your drone while you're flying it. You're probably using that thing, ain't you, that follows you? Nope, because that thing don't work. I'm about to get an inside look at just how I fly this thing, which is going to be easier today than it is when it's bailing. When I'm bailing, a lot of times I drive on my knee while I'm bailing. But I'll sit here, I'll hold this thing, I'll try to watch where I'm going. When you're tedding, it's not quite as hard to fly as when you're doing some of the other stuff, because you can just sort of glance over at where you're at and kind of fly it at the same time, so it's not quite as bad, but it's still tough. Right now I gotta drive on my knee because I gotta try to pivot this thing around while it's going. Now I gotta fly along with it. A lot of fun. You gotta try to watch what you're doing. I do not use the follow me mode because it is jump. If you want to fly one into a tree, you can use follow me mode. That's exactly what happened. Now I had to cut some footage out because it looks bad, but I do fly this thing while I'm running this equipment, and nobody else flies my drone but me. If it's in the air, I'm flying it while I'm running the machinery. I used to try to use the follow me thing, and that's one reason why I flew it into the tree back yonder, was because of that. It's just uncontrollable, and they lose track of you, and you can't, and they'll fly into stuff if you're not careful. Cancel. Nope, don't return home. Don't return home. And my battery's already dead. I forgot to charge my battery. And I gotta put new batteries in.
There's a dusty hat up on the dash of every truck you meet. County roads and fence posts as far as you can see. Billboard sign says rodeo, June 11th through 13. When you get to town, just look around for the Rusty Nail Cafe, where the old hands sip their coffee and relive the glory days. A modern day Charlie Russell scene, where cowboys are king. I get back there every now and then, turn a few steers in a rope and pin. Just a couple of days and I'm gone again, chasing this old 6 train. Oh, but I sure love to be where cowboys are king. Brush the horses down, turn them out, head over to the bar. There'll be George Strait on the jukebox, and I bet the chances are there'll be some cowgirls in well-worn jeans, where cowboys are king. I get back there every now and then, turn a few steers in the roping pen. Just a couple of days and I'm gone again, chasing this old six train. Oh, but I sure love to be where cowboys are king. Boys, as bad as I wish I could stay, I just hope this never goes away, so I can get back here every now and then, turn a few steers in the roping pen, spend a little time with some good old friends. Y'all make it so hard to leave. Oh, but I sure love to be where cowboys are king. Oh, and I sure love to be where cowboys are king.
Thank y'all for watching. Please comment, rate, and subscribe. We'll see you next time. Oh, if you're on Facebook, make sure that you go to our YouTube page and subscribe, because that really helps us. As far as over there, we got 20-something thousand followers. I think it's 22,000 now followers over on Facebook. We could really use some help on the YouTube side. As far as over there, they're the ones that actually pays me some money to buy the equipment to keep being able to do this. I don't want to make a living or really anything off this. This is just my hobby, but it does help to be able to pay to go like to the expo so I can meet people, or just help replace some of these cameras, because they do break and they are expensive. It does help for that. So if you would, hop on over to the YouTube side. It's free to join, just like signing up for Facebook. No difference, don't cost any money. Just hit the subscribe button, it really helps us out, or the thumbs up really helps getting those videos out there to more people, so we get more views, and that really helps us. But yeah, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. We'd love it if you would. It really helps us out with our standings on YouTube. So thank y'all for watching. Please comment, rate, and subscribe. We'll see you next time.